If your phone was switched off and if you're not connected to the data network, then you may see a warning, and the warning that is your message is not available or your message is taking a while uploading on this messenger application. So if you also see the warning called your message is taking a while due to the network, what you have to do is simply tap your messenger application for 3 or 4 seconds just like this and open it on your application manager on your phone. Now you have to clear all the cache and extra data for your application, as you can see that it's mentioned here. And now you simply have to restart your mobile phone with connecting a better network connection. If you have a Wi-Fi, just connect to the Wi-Fi network and check that your phone's data network is fast and is working. After making these 3 or 2 changes, you will see that in some time your message will be displayed on your messenger chat and you can enjoy your chatting. Thank you so much for watching this video.